I like it, but I guess just gonna have to learn it. I like my phone because I can get real close, but I'm upgrading. Stand by, be right back. Yeah, that's too cool. This is using my big camera. He's at the feeder right now, and I think he got in a fight. He lost. He got his butt kicked. I like this camera, the Rebel T6i, but I also like my cell phone because I can get real close. Yeah, this is a cool camera. Got a microphone. I'm looking for that 8-point, actually this one here. That's the one I'm looking for. Alright, check with you guys here shortly. Hang in there. It's looking good. Sun is out. It's warm. It's still cold, but it is warm. The sun feels real good. I want to throw in a free plug. Check out my trying out these. SureFire makes these earplugs, and they are great. I like them. You can see this. One of them is red. It goes on the right, and the other one goes to the left. But the center has a little plug. You can plug that, and it blocks a lot of the sound. I like these. I like them because it's just got I can turn it up, turn it on, and it amplifies my surrounding. So if you're walking and stalking, these are great because if a hog comes out, or you can actually hear it before you see it. So if you can hear them in the bushes. So it's great if you're walking and stalking. But these, I like them, but when I'm using my 338 Lapua, it hits on the stock. So this is why I'm trying these out and see how they work out. But anyway, free plug for SureFire, but these are also real nice. Alright guys, I'm going to put a link in the description. That way if you're interested in getting some of these are pretty cool. So, a little free plug for SureFire. Check with you guys later. Y'all be cool. Thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Don't go away. Alright?